What is the future of cryptocurrency?
This is a very big question, you know. It's like I'm the person who answers the future. Yes, I'm a fortune teller here now. Okay, let me just be the fortune teller. Let's first talk about the father of all the coins, Bitcoin. Bitcoin in the future, the price will go up. There's no doubt. Doesn't matter today is $9,000. It will become 10,000, 11,000, 20,000, 40,000, 50,000. In the end, it will become even $1 million. One coin. That is very possible. My word is here. And not only me, a lot of people in the world know it. Because it's too limited. It's only 21 million coins in the world. But the whole world population is 7.3 billion. So it will go up. That's for sure. But it go up doesn't mean the Bitcoin will be dominant. The Bitcoin will not be dominant. It will become less dominant in the market. Before, Bitcoin takes around 90% of the market of all the cryptocurrencies, 90%. Later on, they become 80%, 70%, 50%. Today, you refer to coin market cap, you will see Bitcoin dominance is only 36%. It's dropping. In the future, it will drop more. It will become 20%, even 10%, or even 5%. It's dropping. It's dropping. And even it may fail. Why it may fail? Why it may fail? Because the computing power is a big problem. Yeah? Anybody who have money poor, controlling more than 51% of the whole computing power, they can attack the whole network. They can declare the Bitcoin in my account and in your account, in everybody's account is fake, only his is genuine. That is not fair. So when it reaches 1 million or more, it may drop to $50,000 or $10,000 or even $1 or $1. It may drop. And other cryptocurrency, it will go up and go more. Today we see Ethereum. Today we see Litecoins. In future we will see EOS. Okay? We will see other cryptocurrency go up. And that will become more and more dominant. But all in all, the future currency is cryptos. Now each country holding dollars as a foreign reserve. But in future, the dollars will become weak. People started using crypto as a foreign reserve. That is the future. Thank you.